going on, guys? I'm Rob Shoemaker, PTS DYNO, and today we're tuning this awesome turbo F150. All right, guys, today we got Curtis's 2020 F150 featuring a PTS single turbo kit, a set of 1050s, triple pump fuel system, E85, stock motor, stock train, stock converter. Let's see what it makes of the dyno. Come with me. Well, we loaded up our bass tune and made a hit on gate, what I think is gate. It ends up being like 11 pounds of boost, which is fine with me, and I'm quite surprised. I lifted a little early, I was a little gun shy. I didn't know what it was gonna make, but 833, 806 foot-pounds, not too bad on, I guess, the first pull of the bass file. We're gonna just back it up and we'll see what it does. Hopefully it stays the same, and then we'll start adding boost afterwards.
Sprinkling the hell out of that tire, man. Wow.
Turn around.
I know.
Well, as you can see, I've already surpassed my goal for the day by accident, if you couldn't tell from the earlier video. I didn't change anything. We didn't change anything. All we did was make another hit, and it made 16.5 pounds, and made 1,000 horsepower and 950 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on. This has got some sort of AEM boost controller in it, so we're gonna get a handle on that and just try and run a few more gate hits to make sure everything's good, and then we'll sneak back up on it. Well, so we got a good handle on this boost control, I think, finally. I figured out the little bug that was there, and we're back on gate. So this is 10.8 pounds. Great, great power, great torque, stays in it, 7,000. I mean, it's only a single turbo. This is a PTS turbo kit. It's not gonna be a high RPM screamer. It does have an 18 Mustang manifold that is locked out, thank God for that. But it is gonna be an awesome little truck. So what we're gonna do next, just make sure to tidy up a little bit of tune changes. And there's one thing I need to change with the fueling a little bit. We're just gonna back it up, make sure everything looks good, and then we'll try again. All right, so this one, 16.7 pounds. Just added like 10% to the duty cycle. I could not believe that it added 4 pounds of boost, but here we are. We did run into a boost cut, it looks like up top. It's pulling all the boost out of it as it did drop pretty hard, but not a bad number. So basically we're just gonna set the boost controller, the limit way high, see what she makes.
Come up 500 over the end, too. The peak, 9,700.
Finally, got it perfect. Boost controller works good, 16.8 pounds, 988 horsepower. The curve looks absolutely incredible. It sounds absolutely incredible. The torque number is off the charts, 970 foot-pounds of torque out of a Coyote. It's ridiculous. Single turbo kit, ridiculous. The car runs awesome. We're gonna call it quits here. This is a stock motor, stock trans, stock converter. Like, I'm not trying to pick up some rounds on the floor, so we're gonna call it done. I'm sure he'll be thrilled. We're gonna take some test hits on the street and see what happens.